This is the idea of common schooling, which simply means social goods are created through communal activities. When the people in the community, in the society get together and determine what is the common good, what is it that our young people need today, common schooling is provided for all the students in the particular area or region, then, yes, social good will come about. The second way to produce social goods is through the instruction that students receive in school. One, of course, is the curriculum and the similar schooling and education and all that. The second is the kind of instruction they receive in the classroom. If students are taught socialization skills and the importance of civic virtues, this may be an effective way to generate social cohesion. In other words, we need to teach students more and beyond the content. If we only teach the subject, it's not going to be enough. We need to teach civic virtues. What is good? How do you behave? What are attitudes? Those kinds of things. Because when the children grow up, go out in society, they have to mix with different individuals. And so, civic virtues, civic sense, effective attitudes are good things that teachers should teach young people in the classrooms today. And this is not the Islamia teacher's job only. It is every teacher's job to teach civic virtues and good attitudes and behavior to all students. Some schools may include courses such as civics, political science, or religious education as part of the curriculum. Other schools may encourage charitable acts on the parts of students or offer instruction on environmental issues. How this is done is not important. Over here, you've got three ways in which it can be done. Schools could offer specific courses on civics, character building, attitudes and behaviors, or you could have students actually take part in charitable acts, like grown-up students, adult students in grades 8, 9, 10 can actually help and work with low-income students, help them, teach them. That's charity. That's a good thing to do. On, of course, environmental issues. There are so many environmental issues that need to be resolved, that need to be solved. We are looking for solutions and we need help. And our students can be very good at providing that help. So, how you do it is not important. The important thing is, are you doing it? That's the key. If these two routes are followed, I think the common social good will come about for our students and eventually for society. So what we've done in this unit is we've looked at the privatization. We began by looking at why privatization came into Pakistan, why it was necessary, why it has actually flourished and grown. We've looked and compared the private system with the government system. We've looked at factors that affect privatization. We've looked at how assessments and accountability can be built into the privatization system. And then we've looked at evaluation of the private school systems. It is a current issue and it is a trend. The trend will continue. Private schools will continue to come about. New schools will be created. And it's an issue because all private schools are not delivering what they initially set out and promised. And so the trend and the issue of private school education continues. It needs to be worked upon and resolved at some level.